Every journey of nutrition begins with a single bite. A simple apple, rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, enters the human body, starting a powerful biological process. As the teeth break the apple down, saliva mixes in, releasing enzymes that begin digestion instantly. This is where chemistry meets motion. The chewed apple travels through the esophagus, guided by rhythmic muscular contractions, moving food smoothly toward the stomach. Inside the stomach, powerful acids and enzymes surround the apple, breaking tough fibers into smaller, usable components. Here, digestion intensifies. Apple fibers are dismantled, sugars are released, and nutrients prepare for absorption. The partially digested apple enters the small intestine, the true center of nutrient absorption. At a microscopic level, vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals pass through intestinal walls and enter the bloodstream, fueling the body cell by cell. These nutrients now travel through arteries and veins, reaching every vital organ. The liver processes and regulates these nutrients, converting them into usable energy. Energy spreads throughout the body as organs glow with balance and vitality. In the brain, antioxidants support neurons, enhancing communication between brain cells. Stronger neural connections mean better focus, sharper memory, and improved mental clarity. The heart benefits too, supporting smoother blood flow and cardiovascular health. Muscles absorb nutrients, improving strength, recovery, and endurance. Bones gain mineral support, reinforcing long-term strength. In the gut, apple fiber feeds beneficial bacteria, strengthening digestion. A healthy gut activates immune cells, helping the body defend itself. Natural sugars provide clean, steady energy without artificial stimulants. Inside every cell, mitochondria convert nutrients into life-sustaining power. But balance matters. Too much apple can irritate the stomach lining. For some people, allergies may trigger inflammation. Excess sugar can cause blood glucose spikes, and when energy crashes, fatigue follows. An apple a day supports the body, but understanding how it works is the real power of nutrition.